Hi boys and girls, we'll be making eggless chocolate banana muffins today, and helping me will be Andrea and Elliot. Okay, take 2 bananas, peel them and mash them. Okay, excellent. Next, you need 30 grams or 2 heaped tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay, good job. Next, you'll pour 6 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And 6. Alright. Next, you are going to need 6 tablespoons or 90 grams of brown sugar. Okay, pour your 90 grams of brown sugar into the rest of the ingredients. Alright, great. Next up would be 8 tablespoons of water. So grab your whisk and whisk the ingredients till they're well mixed. Remember to hold the side of the bowl when you mix. Okay. Next up, 10 tablespoons or 80 grams of self-raising flour. Alright, awesome, 80 grams exactly. Okay, pour your flour into the rest of the mixture. Yep, okay, put the bowl down. And you need 1 teaspoon of, what is this?
Vanilla extract.
Yeah, okay, go for it. Okay, pour. Alright, good job. Mix it in gently. Fold the flour in. Don't mix it too much, otherwise you will encourage all the gluten to come out of the flour and your muffins will become very what?
Hard.
Very hard, very tough, right? Don't mix, okay? You're really just stirring from outside in. Outside in. Alright. You need to fold in all the flour. You don't want to over mix your muffins at this point in time. Now that you're done with your muffin mix, you want to spoon them into microwave safe little cups. Spoon. Okay. Now that you're done, you can either bake these babies or throw them in the microwave for 3 minutes. Put your muffins in the microwave. Okay, you want to see if the muffins are done. Screw it in it, and does it come out clean? You know your muffins are done. Now that your muffins have spent 3 minutes in the microwave, they are perfectly cooked and ready to be enjoyed with your family.